Hey everybody, this is Joe with Joe's Premium Firewood. We're getting another fun-filled, exciting video. Today's video, I'm at my power line storage area, and I got this pile that my new supplier Noah brought me a month ago, and it's a mixed bag. Most of the stuff up front is maple and it's dry, so I'm gonna load it into my brother's truck here. He's been doing some cutting lately. You can see all that. I should have made a video of him, but I've been lazy about making videos lately. But I'm gonna load up the truck with enough wood to make a live stream video splitting on Sunday morning. There are a couple pieces, like this piece of oak right here, that might even have to be quartered. And then there's a big one there, so I got the saw and I got the maul. And if I need to use them, which I will, we'll cut them up and get the truck loaded. So I'm gonna go ahead and put you in the tripod and then get to work. I've already warmed up the saw, and today is December 30th 2021, so it is a new video. Today happens to be the King of Firewood, my brother's 49th birthday, so wish the king a happy birthday. His name's Matt, if you want to know. So I'm gonna go ahead and start loading these up, the ones that I can lift. This piece of maple's pretty light. And like I said, I normally don't put oak in the summer campfire wood, but I really don't feel like sorting it. See, this is a piece of oak right here, but it is barkless. He said it's been sitting for a while, so it should be fairly dry. Get those in as far as I can. The lighter ones I can throw up in there, but these heavier pieces of oak I got it set on the back. Ugh. Getting my exercise. Hope everybody had a great Christmas. Ours was pretty good. Got this. Oh, this is oak too, but it's dry. So I'm gonna get like half a truckload in there and then go stack it. What I really wanted to do was load this up, back up to the splitter, then split it out of the splitter, out of the truck. But my brother needs his truck. He's probably not going to want that wood in there. He probably needs it Sunday morning. So I'm just going to have to take it, unload it, and then pick it back up again and split it. It doesn't help that we're on an angle here. I'll adjust you right now since right there. It doesn't help that this is on an angle and I gotta roll them up there. Probably should have parked forward down this way so they would just roll in instead of me have to force them uphill. I don't think I could really stack them on the tailgate because this is elm, because they'll fall off. This one's cut a little long. I think I'll put it over here. Even though it's summer campfire wood, I'll put it over here with those pieces. Well, kind of got down to this one. I don't think it's oak now that I look at it. I think it's elm. So let me cut it in half. We'll fire up the saw. You haven't seen me run a saw? Well, I guess I did run a saw on the live stream on my other channel last week. cut the weight in half. Can I lift it? Yep. Maybe it will stay on the tailgate. Might have to cut that one. See if I can finish it with the maul. I don't have the aim like Nate or Zach or Mike. I think it's on, but I'm not sure. Another piece of oak. Big heavy piece. Oak. I usually don't like them much bigger than that. This maple, this one's really questionable. It's pretty punky. See how it splits. There's another one that needs to be cut. See, how's the angle? Look at these noodles. Great fire starter. There you go. Maple. That's what I was thinking. Been a slow sales week. So far, I had one guy stop by, pick up a half truckload for 70 bucks. So the slow season has started. Right after Christmas it drops. It won't pick up till May or June. Come on. Really don't see too many more that need to be cut. Hope I don't have to put in 4-wheel drive. I'm thinking with all this weight in here, I should be able to pull out of here. I probably could lift this one up, but I'll cut one more for you. How this builds up in here. There's a piece for Mom. Let's see. Yeah, that's not too bad. I don't think I need that anymore. So let me lop this. This looks like ash. That's hard saying. I don't usually like ash going in there, so I'll put that somewhere else. But all right, I'm gonna load this up, show you what I got in here. I'm gonna throw a little bit more in and then take it up there. So made a little dent in this pile. All right, I'd like to wish everybody a happy new year, and I guess I'll see you on the next one, which will be on my live stream Sunday morning on Joe's Firewood videos. Bye.